Good afternoon, everyone. News just out. 2 avalanches closing Highway 92 in Pennsylvania. State Highway Patrol reporting that in Falls Township, Wyoming County, these highways are completely closed after avalanches. Glimpse here on the map, close in for you. Also, snow total amounts around New York, Pennsylvania. Burlington, Vermont, coldest since 1885. Blizzard overtopping trucks in the Maritimes of Canada. And that blizzard lasted 57 hours, almost a record. Cold snap, killing the cherry blossoms across D.C. And please remember to subscribe to Adapt 2030 while you're watching the video, and join me on iTunes and Stitcher Radio for many Ice Age conversations. Pennsylvania State Highway Patrol advising anybody traveling in Wyoming County, avalanches have closed Highway 92. 2 avalanches. National Weather Service also putting out the bulletin, Falls Township. These areas are completely closed. Please do not travel there or use these routes. Area on the map, wide out, going in close, 30 centimeters of snow. Avalanches. Roads are buried. You can see the street signs here just barely poking above that. Looking at the snow amounts across the same areas and New York. Anywhere from 34 inches down to 2 feet at 24 inches in Pennsylvania. Burlington, Vermont. A couple days ago, coldest since 1885. And then Concord also tied the record coldest for 1874. Jumping over to the Maritimes in Canada, Eastern Canada, on the map here. Blizzard at the same time rolling up the East Coast that New York experienced. Overtipping trucks, 20 inches plus snow up there as well. This follows right on the heels of a 57-hour blizzard, a couple hours from setting the new record. But look at the amount of snow coming down here, drifting up to the roofs of houses. Areas in Manitoba asking now, please put fluorescent green markers out where things are buried in the snow while they're trying to clear away this deluge, atmospheric compression event of snow from the sky. Back down to D.C., they're worried about all of these cherry blossoms being killed off. Magic temperature for the kill off is 27 degrees Fahrenheit. It dropped down to 26, and then it's falling into the low 20s. Now, these flowering blooms go through 6 stages, and they're more vulnerable, obviously, when they're at full flower. But the warm spring so far has brought them into stage 4 and 5 up to this point. Orchard growers in Virginia also concerned about buds and blossom kill-offs. They're going to have fruit shortages through this year. And at the very minimum, they were only looking at a possible 70% yield on average due to the losses so far. Thanks for watching. Hope you got something out of the video. How prepared are you for things that happen in an instant manner? These avalanches and blizzards coming in for 57 hours. You see there's no road travel through there. Food for Liberty has a full range of essentials to keep you safe in emergency situations, from water filtration, medical kits, as well as always, which I appreciate, seed kits so you can grow your own gardens and keep yourself on a more sustainable path.